The hummingbird lantern lights up, gives a nice glow, and a nice decoration when hung up. We'll show it near a fence so you can see what the decoration looks like, hummingbirds and flowers. As we lower it down to the floor, you get to see the decoration as well. The hummingbird lantern takes 8 to 12 hours to charge and 8 to 12 hours of runtime. As you can see the lights of the hummingbird, when put on a fence in the distance, it shines up and gives you decoration. We'll give a close-up shot of the decoration. From the company EEKEDO is a hummingbird decoration lantern that can be hung outside, battery operated, 6 to 12 hours of run time. It has a solar panel on top, some dusk to dawn, it lights up and run 6 to 12 hours depending on how much power the sun gives it. We're going to cover the lantern so you can see it lit up, and we're going to shut the light off. It gives a nice golden glow, 3000 Kelvin. As you can see on the wall there, it gives a shining symbol of a hummingbird, flowers, and more. We're going to show you outside what the lantern looks like and lit up. In order to turn on the unit, on top, just simply grab, open, and turn on and off your light. This part needs to be placed into the sun, 6 to 12 hours. Just simply place it on the top, hang up anywhere in your garden, house, wherever. The hummingbird lantern is dark in color, a single light bulb that illuminates very gentle, throwing a design all around, flowers, petals, and a picture of a hummingbird as well as on the floor. As my hand is underneath, you can see the hummingbird and shining the bottom so you can see the design. Your hummingbird lantern can be put down on the floor to give a small decoration around like so. And as you lift up and have it on the hanger, it shows the decoration. Enjoy your hummingbird lantern for landscapes, parties, and more.